Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can rotate a picture in a certain angle on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up Photos. Then in Photos, tap on Library or Albums. And then in the list, select a picture you want to rotate. And then tap on Edit at the top. Now we go down to the bottom and tap on the crop button. In here you can then now tap on the rotate button here, tap on this button, and then at the bottom here there is a slider bar. Drag it to the left or to the right to rotate to the right or to the left. And that's it. So if you need to rotate more than 45 degrees angle, you can also use the rotate button up here. So I'm going to cancel. You can also tap on the rotate button at the top. Here at the top you can tap on that to rotate the angles at 90 degrees. And you can also flip it as well. And that's it. And after that you can move the picture, then tap on done. And that is how you can rotate a picture at a certain angle on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.